If you are an athlete who's been struggling with shoulder pain and you need some solutions to make it feel better so that you can do what you need to do in the gym, then stick around for today's tips on how you can use something simple like a lacrosse ball to get rid of your shoulder pain. What's up everybody, Doc Caden here with another episode of Excellence in Motion, and today I'm coming at you from Miramar Beach in Florida. I'm finishing up a personal week of vacation after graduating from physical therapy school.
Pretty cool, pretty damn cool!
Last Saturday, and let me tell you, it has been an amazing opportunity for me to relax and sort of reinvigorate my mind to get myself ready to deliver a bunch of awesome content to you guys. While here on vacation, I've had the opportunity to work out at a local CrossFit gym called CrossFit Abundantly More. The owner, CJ, has been awesome in letting us work out at their gym and be a part of their community for the time that we're here.
Nice.
After today's workout with some snatches, I decided that it would be a really cool opportunity to show you guys what some of my favorite lacrosse ball tips and tricks are for shoulders who get painful in the middle of workouts.
Let me play a sad song for you.
Today I'm gonna give you my 3 favorite lacrosse ball moves to use, but if you stick around and watch the whole video, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip that incorporates the lacrosse ball in the shoulder region, but is a little bit different from the other 3. So without further ado, let's dive into the first one. The first lacrosse ball move is designed to target your rhomboids and your lower traps on the backside of your shoulder. What you're gonna do with this one is put the lacrosse ball between you and a wall and sort of pinch it right in the middle of your spine and your shoulder blade. In this position, you're gonna move your arm back and forth across your body by tacking down those muscles and sort of putting them on stretch as you protract and retract the scapula around the rib cage. This move sort of helps restore some natural scapular motion as it moves around the rib cage and can be really beneficial for loosening up some tight spots in the shoulder. The second lacrosse ball move, you're gonna lay on the ground and this time pin the lacrosse ball in the exact same position as before, but instead of moving your arm across your body, you're now going to raise your arm up and down into flexion, as well as out to the side in abduction. This move is very similar to the first one in that you are targeting the same areas that might have trigger points or muscle stiffness, but instead of coming across the body, you're now raising your arm up and overhead through flexion and out to the side with abduction. This just gives you an opportunity to hit these trigger points in different positions that you might be accessing as an athlete with snatches and any other overhead movements, as well as through pressing and pulling. The third lacrosse ball move is a little bit different. This one's actually going to be targeting the rotator cuff of your shoulder. To access this, you're going to lay down on your side, placing the lacrosse ball along the back side of your shoulder, sort of where the rear deltoid would be. In this position, you're going to rotate the arm through internal and external rotation while you're tacking down some of these external rotators of the shoulder and allowing you to hit some trigger points in muscles that allow you to open up the shoulder or close the shoulder in these different hang positions and overhead positions. So those are my top 3 go-tos for lacrosse ball movements in the shoulder, but since you stuck with me this far, I'm gonna give you a bonus move.
What?
The bonus lacrosse ball move is targeting the pecs. Here, you're gonna put your lacrosse ball between the pec and one of the posts of the rig and add pressure into that system so that when you raise your arm up and all the way back and inside, you're pinning down those pectoral muscles where they attach on the shoulder and give them an opportunity to release some tension, get rid of some trigger points, and overall improve the range of motion of your shoulder by allowing you to open up more to the side and up overhead. A lot of people don't realize how much tension they actually hold in their pecs. So by paying a little bit of attention to this area and really working it out, you might be surprised at how much you improve your overhead mobility. So that's it guys, quick and easy, very simple moves that you can work through in the pinch. If you're on the go and you have a lacrosse ball and you want to hit some of this stuff to improve your overhead mobility, give these things a try. If you got value out of today's video, please let me know by dropping a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite go-to moves are for improving your overhead mobility. And if it's something that I've never tried before, I'll be sure to give it a shot and maybe talk about it in a future video. That's all I have for you today, guys. So enjoy the week that you have coming up. Make sure you hit some of this stuff so that your shoulders are feeling great moving forward. And until next time, go out, do good things, and don't forget to move. I'll catch you in the next one.